All right, so to solve an equation, what you have to do is you have to figure out what's happening to our variable and get rid of everything else around it. A is not all by itself. I have to isolate A. I have to get A all by itself. A is being divided by 18, so I have to get rid of getting divided by 18. How do you get rid of divided by 18? Well, you do the inverse of divided by 18, and that's multiply both sides by 18. So we're going to wrap both sides in parentheses, like so. 18 up here and 18 down here cross each other out. Now that leaves me with just a positive A on the right. 18 times negative 5 is a positive times a negative, which is a negative, and 18 times 5 is 90, so 18 times negative 5 is negative 90. Now, this is a correct answer, and most teachers would be okay with this, but some teachers might want you to say, well, that doesn't sound proper. Negative 90 equals A is like saying Math Teacher Goat is my name. We want to say my name is Math Teacher Goat. Unless your name's not Math Teacher Goat, then please don't say that because copyright infringement. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip these around. If negative 90 is A, then A is negative 90. So I personally prefer the guy right here in the circle, but the guy right here in the box certainly isn't wrong. Either one should work just fine on a test or a quiz or homework or whatever.